Hello friends, I'm back with another video, and this video is I'm going to show you Samsung fast charging technology. It is a wireless charging pad and it is convertible, like you can make it a pad or make it a stand, and it supports fast charging. The old one that I have currently with me, as you can see here, I'm currently charging my Samsung here. This is the old one. This used to have an LED notification here. When you put your phone down here, it will show the LED lights here, like it is running. Now it's charging, and when it charges the phone completely, it will glow green here. If you have any problem, it will blink. So it has got good notifications. I love it. I'm using it since Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, and this guy is still running. It's a good thing. It's a really old charger, but it's doing fine. Like, if you don't want to hamper your battery and if you don't want a fast charger, then it's good, because this charger doesn't make your phone that much hot. So let's keep this aside and we'll talk about this product here today. And this is a product that I have got from Samsung website, and it cost me around 4,500 rupees, I think. Yes, 4,140. There is no charges for your delivery, and I think I have broken the seal here. Yes, it's broken here. Is it broken up here? No. I need to break it here. 1 second. Yes, I've done it. The seal is open. Now we can go ahead and open this. And I forgot to mention, it has got 10-minute charging, 120-minute charging, 60 minutes playing, and 50 minutes texting. I don't know this configuration belongs to which device of Samsung, that you charge for 10 minutes you get this, but let's keep this aside. Wow, it has nice leather finish to it. I think it is pure leather. It might be leather, but I feel leather, and it has soft. It's very soft. As you can see my hands here, let me zoom it up. You can check it out. See, it's totally pressing. It has very soft finish to it. Fast charge is mentioned here. I think we get a fan behind here. It works. There is a LED notification here. And it is a USB-C port charger. So here it is mentioned here 5 volt and 9 volt. So we need the Samsung inbox fast charging adapter to use this charger. So I do have that. So let's first install it, and we check. You can slide it like this if you want to, and you can pull this up in this way and it becomes a stand. Now you can put your phone here and it will charge it. It is just like the Pixel stand, but Pixel stand has some features. I don't know if Samsung has added some features with the Android Pie update or not. We'll check it out now. But I like to keep my phone down a lot bit, but this I feel a bit risky. Let's check this out, and let's put this away now, and I will bring the charger first. And do remember friends, while closing it, never push it like this. It will not go. Just go back with the process and push it like this. In that way it will turn. If you push it directly, then it will break it. So what more we get here? We get, as usual, a quick start guide. We get some paperwork mentioning, okay, this is the paperwork of Samsung other accessories that is available. I think so it is that. Yes, it's other accessories list. Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Wow. This charger is so old and it's coming now to India. Great, great Samsung, so fast in your services. We get a micro USB to USB port. So let's try this. I have a connection ready here. I will open this old one here. It's very tight and I haven't opened it from a very long time. Yes, it's done. So the size, it's a great difference. It's a big one, it's a small one. As you can see here, this is a micro USB port. I will show you here. As you can see here, this is a micro USB port here, and we have the USB-C to micro USB adapter. We will connect this adapter here. Now we can go ahead and connect the USB-C port here. Let me show you this, how we do it. As you can see, the light is glowing here, green, blue, green, blue. It is the notification that the charger has been activated. So let's put this here. It's charging right away, and as you can see here, it is mentioning charging wirelessly, but it is not charging fastly. That means because I have been using the old Samsung brick. Let me install the fast brick here. So I have connected the Samsung fast charging brick now. Let's check this out again. So as you can see here, it has directly switched to fast charging. And do remember, friends, if you don't want fast charging, you can directly go here inside the settings. You can open up this notifications here, click it here. It will directly switch on to the battery options. Inside the battery, you can go ahead and click this settings and go inside the settings. There is a fast charging cable, fast charging wireless. If you don't want fast charging wireless, you can go ahead and close this up too and put the phone down, and you can see it will charge just normally. You can see it here. Let me lock this phone up. See, it's charging normally. So what happens sometimes using the fast charging, it heats up the phone. So you can go ahead and close this, but I keep this on because sometimes I need fast charging. I usually use the normal charger. One more thing we need to check it out is the docking station. Let's put this up. Okay, it's done here. I will slide up this phone here. So it's charging in the dock. Let's lock it up. Yes, there is no notification like the Pixel stand. It's just charged the phone, that's it, nothing else. So that's all, my friends. This is the Samsung fast charging wireless charging pad. You can use it to charge your phones that support wireless charging. It also supports Qi wireless charging, and it's available in the Samsung website. And do remember to subscribe my channel and share this video if you want to share this with your friend or colleague about this product. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will be very helpful to answer you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, my friends.